Reys, one supplier, unique solution. Reys S.p.A. is an Italian company that researches, formulates and produces chemical products for industries. For 40 years, with 200 employees in 28 countries worldwide, it supplies more than 11,000 clients with products used in many different sectors. Reys wants to be the only partner in the management of all the fluids of every process. Reys products improve performance and production capacity in every industry. A presence built over the years because Reys has developed a large research centre and irreplaceable service business behind its production. The presence of Reys people on the client's installations is transformed into collecting data that is fundamental for development. Reys offers specialized support on a national scale. An ability to intervene that is virtually immediate helps the customer companies to optimize the fluids being used, maintain performance over time, and reduce consumption. Reys is constantly offering new solutions, from the supply of a component to the design of a washing system, from the management and maintenance of a production line to the increasingly complex solution of aspects tied to the treatment of water and surfaces. In the Arcare factory, on the outskirts of Milan, in a strategic position, production begins with a strict inspection of the raw materials. These go from the storage areas to the mixers, where the formulas are prepared. After a series of chemical checks, the fluids and the mixtures obtained arrive at the packaging line and then quality control. A barcode system follows the product through all the processing phases, guaranteeing its traceability. It is an eco-sustainable process that respects the environment, constantly perfected. It is a new industrial relationship in which Reys does not limit itself to providing the products, but wants to work as a partner, sharing solutions, objectives and responsibilities. Reys is above all research. Every product starts from a formula developed in its own laboratories, studied and tested internally. First, on equipment that simulate its operation, and then on pilot lines. Here, the formulas are identified for products that will improve the performance and production capacity of the client companies. Reys is much more than a simple supplier. It is a true full-service provider. Reys, one supplier, unique solution.